Hello, y'all. Today we're going to make Secret Life Pets cookies and milk. You will need doggy cookie cutters, vanilla milk recipe below, black food gel dye, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, cookie dough ingredients, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup sugar, or in my case, since I can't have sugar, or those that cannot have sugar can use Splenda. That's S-P-L-E-N-D-A, that kind of sugar. 1 cup to 2 sticks of unsalted butter, or those who like salt can use the salted butter like Blue Bonnet or Country Crock. 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla milk recipe, 16 ounces of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sugar, or those that cannot have sugar, 1 cup of Splenda. In a bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, and salt. Those that cannot have salt can use the sea salt. It's like salt, but it's not salt. Or just don't use any at all. In the bowl of an electrical mixer, cream the butter and the sugar or Splenda until fluffy. Then add the egg and vanilla. Slowly add the flour mixture until just combined. Separate the dough into fours. That's F-O-R-T-H-S, fours. Wrap up 2 of the fours, F-O-U-R-T-H-S, in plastic wrap and refrigerate until you're ready to use. For the third section, add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. You can use the sweetened cocoa powder, or you can use the unsweetened cocoa powder. They make two kinds, and they're both made by Hershey's. And knead until combined to make the chocolate dough. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate. Take the last section and add a few drops of black food gel dye. Knead until the dough is in gray. Wrap in plastic wrap and keep in refrigerator. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Baking sheet with slips of parchment. That's S-L-I-P-A-T-S or P-A-R-C-H-M-E-N-T. Roll out the dough until about 3/8 inch thick. Then flour and press the cookie cutter into the various colored dough. Gray for Centrez. That's S-C-H-N-A-U-Z-E-R-S. Plain vanilla for the poodle and golden retriever, and chocolate for the Labrador or Collie. Make a small 3/16 inch cut in the belly around area for the cookies to hang later. Bake 10 minutes and let cool on wire rack. Once the cookies are cool, dust the poodle with powdered sugar. If you can't have powdered sugar, don't worry about it. Pretend it's there. Hang the cookies off the side of cups filled with vanilla milk to serve. Yum, yum. Have a pooch day. And remember to go watch The Secret of Pets at a theater near you. And have a doggy blessed day. Bye-bye.